The latest version of Kali Linux 2025.2 has officially landed, bringing with it a fresh wave of updates aimed at streamlining ethical hacking and penetration testing workflows. This release doesn't just add new tools, it rethinks how they're organized and used. A standout feature in this version is the redesigned menu system. Inspired by the MITRE ATT&CK framework, Kali now categorizes tools by tactics used in real-world cyber attacks, such as persistence, privilege escalation, and defense evasion. This lets security professionals and students alike approach cybersecurity from a threat actor's perspective, improving their understanding and efficiency during assessments. In terms of tools, Kali Linux 2025.2 includes powerful additions like BloodHound Community Edition, which helps analyze Active Directory environments, and Xclip for improved clipboard handling in terminal environments. Newcomers like PyNmap GUI make network scanning more accessible, and LDAP Monitor provides real-time insights into Active Directory traffic, useful for blue teams hunting for misbehavior on the network. The desktop environments also see important updates. GNOME has been bumped to version 48, KDE Plasma to 6.3, and XFCE has received several quality of life improvements. These changes make Kali feel more modern and responsive, with better support for high DPI displays and smoother system interactions. Kali Cloud images have been fine-tuned with improved firewall defaults and faster initialization via updated Cloud init scripts. On the ARM side, devices like the Raspberry Pi and Pinebook benefit from better thermal controls, updated NetHunter kernels, and performance enhancements that make boot times quicker and the user experience smoother. Kali 2025.2 ships with Linux kernel 6.9, offering better support for newer hardware and improved energy efficiency, especially on laptops. Core packages like Metasploit, Burp Suite, Wireshark, and Hydra have all been updated to their latest versions, ensuring you have access to the most current tools in the field. If you're already using Kali, upgrading is as simple as running the usual update and full upgrade commands. For those starting fresh, new images are available for download on the official Kali website. This release marks a strategic shift for Kali. Rather than just being a toolbox for hackers, it's becoming a platform built around how real-world attacks happen. Whether you're a red teamer probing for weaknesses or a blue teamer defending the network, Kali 2025.2 delivers a smarter, faster, and more organized experience.